Welcome to JK City English News. Late Kongad MLA and CPM Palakkad District Secretariat member KV Vijayadas' body was cremated today by noon. Funeral services was held at Chandranagar Medical Cemetery. He passed away at Thrissur Medical College Hospital on Monday night. The assembly adjourned today to pay tributes to the late KV Vijayadas MLA. The speaker said in his funeral address that he was actively involved in the problems of dairy farmers. He was in the church for a decade and died before the end of his term. As one of the people, he was able to be at the forefront of all today, and as a farmer he was involved in solving the problems of the field workers, and his work was exemplary. In his condolence message, the Chief Minister said that the people of Kerala have suffered a great loss. Opposition leader Ramesh Chennithila said in the assembly that KV Vijayadas was a good collaborator of a leader who saw the minds of a good humanitarian farmers. Ministers and other party leaders addressed the gathering. Afterwards, the members of the church stood up for a minute in silence and wished eternal peace to the departed. It is illegal under the Kerala Police Act to wear the uniform of a police force. Private security agencies operating in the city have implemented such a dress code for their security personnel. Such costumes are causing concern among the public. Earlier, the DGP had issued a circular in this regard following the attention of the police authorities. Accordingly, the security department of the medical college has changed the uniform of the employees. However, due to the lack of attention of the authorities, many security agencies operating in the state were made to look like the uniform of police force. The characters should wear this costume only at their locations during film shooting. Other civilians are not allowed to dress in a way that make them feel like they belong to the police. Accordingly, it is illegal under the Kerala Police Act 43 Clause 4 to wear a uniform of the same type in such a way as to make the public feel like a police force. KP Act 43 Clause 5 states that if a person wearing such a uniform makes a person standing 25 meters away feel like a police officer, the authority should take action against him. Therefore, the fact that the uniforms provided by the city security agencies to the officers are modeled on those of the police force has led to a strong demand from the general public that the authorities take immediate action and guide them to wear a different color. The Kerala Police Pensioners Association has accused the government of neglecting the energy and health of policemen after their retirement. About 69 retired persons have cancer in Thiruvananthapuram district alone and under treatment. Many of these financially incapacitated people have already died due to inadequate treatment. Lawyers led by the Indian Association of Lawyers will organize march in the assembly tomorrow to protest against the neglect of state budget on bar community. Advocate KP Jayachandran, state president and chairman of the State Bar Council, will inaugurate the march demanding an increase in the bar welfare fund to rupees 25 lakhs. Advocate Vaidakadu Narendran, Indira Ravindran, SS Jeevan and other leaders of the organization were present at the press conference. The Human Rights Protection and Environment Movement, which supports the farmers' struggle in Delhi, will hold Iliada Prayanam on 20th January. The leaders of organizations said in a press conference that a piece of paddy wrapped in a cloth will be handed over to the governor of Kerala and then to the president. China on Monday vented out its anger against outgoing US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo, calling him Mr. Liar, and dismissed as conspiracies and lies the allegations by the State Department that the COVID-19 may have emerged from Wuhan's biolab and had links to the Chinese military. China, which faced global criticism after the virus became a pandemic claiming over 2 million lives, has been vehemently asserting that the coronavirus has emerged in several places in the world, while it only reported it first. But Beijing is more resentful of outgoing US President Donald Trump and Pompeo for alleging that the virus may have emerged from the premier Wuhan Institute of Virology. The World Health Organization and Beijing would have acted faster when COVID-19 first surfaced in China. A group investigating the global response has concluded. In its second report, the Independent Panel for Pandemic Preparedness and Response said that an evaluation of the chronology of the early phase of the outbreak suggests that there was potential for early signs to have been acted on more rapidly. COVID-19 was first detected in the central city of Wuhan in late 2019 before seeping beyond China's border to wreak global havoc, costing more than 2 million lives and eviscerating economies. Despite the fact that US on Monday surpassed 24 million COVID-19 cases, President Donald Trump has issued an effective order lifting the travel restrictions which were placed due to the pandemic on much of Europe and Brazil with effect from January 26, a week after he leaves office. Hearty 26th wedding anniversary to JK City CEO and MD D. Ajit Kumar and P. Sheila Kumari from JK City family. May you always love and cherish each other. Happy anniversary. Winding up the news, please subscribe to this channel and press the nearest bell icon to get the notification of JK City news soon after uploading. Thank you.